this is our Todd's off-white leather handbag. It comes with Todd's dust bag, and it is shoulder or crook of your arm, and it's so cool. Look at this. This is like a drawstring that you can actually tighten or loosen this around the edge of the bag to make it either more scrunched or less scrunched. I think it's so cool. So on that you've got Todd's there, and also on the, let's show you, that might be easier, Todd's on there as well. It's in really, really good condition. There is some signs of wear on the bottom corners, which is standard, but other than that it's in really, really good condition. And it's really nice leather. It's soft and supple leather, but it's also got quite a strong shape and structure to it, so it'll keep its shape. So it's got a press stud opening. Inside it's lined in a sort of browny tan colour, so you can easily see what's going on. And it's got one zipped pocket, and the zip pull has got the T logo on it. There. I really love this. I think it's a really, really cool shoulder bag with this little drawstring, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful colour.